everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, A4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. A little bit of a off-topic video today, but figured we'd do a quick tutorial. I know I just had to look up a video of how to do this, so I figured I would show you all. So, found out my wife's tail light is out. So, she has the 2017 Kia Sedona, and so we're going to fix this tail light. So, two tools you're going to need. This is overkill, but you need a Phillips head screwdriver, which I'm just going to use my drill here. And then, let me set the camera down here. There we go. And then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So, let me see if I can arrange this a little better. There you go, so you're not so crooked. So I'm going to open this up. Alright, so it is the passenger side. This will be the same for both sides, right? So let me flip the camera here and show you what we're first going to be dealing with. Right here, you can see two little spots, right? We're going to take our flathead screwdriver and gently pop these out, right? And now that's loose, okay? So now you see we've got two Phillips head screw holes still. So I'm going to set this housing right out of the way. And then I'm going to take these screws loose. Right like so. There's one. Then I'm going to take the next one out. Right like so. Sorry, the camera's pointed a little high. So there's two. And then here, we just want to kind of gently pull on this until this comes out. So I'm going to set the camera back up here. Flip the screen back. And then it pops right out, okay? So you've got a few different lights here that need to be changed, or that can be changed. This is the one. It's the middle one. Okay, you can see it's got a green and a red wire, also a black wire attached. You're going to twist and you're just going to work the socket out of the housing, right like so. Alright, careful not to get this little gasket out of the way. You just twist your bulb and pull it out. So I'm going to leave this just hanging here. I don't recommend that, so if you can do that, if you can go without pulling that housing out, that's it. But here's your bulb right here, okay? So I'm going to go get the replacement bulb. Here's your replacement, okay? We're going to take it, see it right down in the hole. And there it is. Then we're going to take this and put it right back in the hole. Put the socket back in the hole anyway. You got to line things up just right for them to come back together. And there it is. It's already back together. So you're going to line your assembly back into place just like that. Make sure your wires aren't patched or anything like that. Go ahead and put your screws back in. So I'm just putting them in there just to start them. Okay. Change your drill back to See that? And then last step is put your housing back on. Just snap it back into place. Voila, your headlights changed. There you go. Or headlight, I said headlight, I meant your tail light, brake light. So there you go, that's the way you do it. Pretty easy on the 2017 Kia Sorento. I do also believe that this is applicable, I said Sorento, sorry, Sedona. I do believe this is applicable to the Kia Sedonas and Carnivals, Sedona and Carnival, from 2015 till 2024, I believe. It could be wrong, but check your owner's manual just to be sure. That's it, pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73's, the A4WX, WSEB 693.